Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Acquaintance ngayon din sa Barangay Kamansi National High School. At iya tayo ngayon. Manonood tayo kaya tayo mag-vlog. Okay guys. Yan ang school. Yan po. Pagbablog tayo. Manood tayo ng acquaintance ng mga kids dito.
We welcome Grade 7, Section Kanya. Advisor, Mrs. Olive R. Bardulaza. AC, Advisor, Maria Cristina M. de la Vega. Section Lara, under the advisor of May Ann G. Canolari. Mahogany, Advisor, Benita M. Caballo. Grade 9, Jupiter. Advisor, Melissa E. Aquilio. Saturn. Advisor, Ma'am Sheila D. Juan. Grade 10, Section Euclid. Advisor, Ma'am Ramshiel T. Reyes. And Section Einstein, Advisor, Ma'am Maricel R. Judicial.
Wala ka shout out?
The junior high school, the senior high school, grade 11.
Yung mga teachers, yung mga
Section
PTA president, PTA officer.
Advisor,
Guys.
yours truly. Section Amenities. Advisor, Mrs. Emmeline D. Parovino. Grade 12. Section J. Advisor, Mrs. Jessica B. Parovino. And Section Diamond, Ma'am Maria Connie S.
Welcome to my mga
Advisor.
officer, PTA officer, and representant.
We are blessed to have our school governance council officers, barangay officials, headed by the Honorable Vincent A. Matutina. Here's Banagit Kagabihon, Acquaintance and Induction Program, a night of new beginnings. To formally begin, may I request everyone to please rise for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem, and please remain standing for the opening prayer, Bagong Pilipinas Hymn and Aklan Hymn.
Ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
you, Ma'am Mimit. Hindi ka maghalin. Hindi ka tukaan na yun. Unang-una, let us clap our hands for the Lord. Manami o chilpo, di ba? Kabay pang hindi na, ako naging pangayo children and the rest of the VIPs on stage. Lord, abras tayo alas 10, bunukat agalit sa Domingo. Di ba, children? Praise the Lord. Palakpakan si Lord. Thank you. And I would like to take this opportunity, a courtesy call man Diakon Kimo. Children, ako niya bagong teacher sa senior high. May I present to you Mrs. Elizabeth Dalida Nofable, transferred from Buruanga, ano nga ni Met? Habana Integrated School District of Buruanga. Pinakapunta ito, tanda niya dayon antique sa Pihak. So iyaw mo katon, she will be our new teacher in the senior high school. Let's clap our hands and welcome Ma'am Elizabeth. Thank you, ma'am. Estudyante ko sa Ma'am Mimit sa Batan Academy. Dancer ko man imaw. So, thank you. Iya ko imaw. So, mga dalitagin, taga kamansi mapuslan, naton imaw. The word is mapuslan. Thank you, Met. And, I would like also to take this opportunity to thank our Barangay Captain, Honorable Vincent Lima sa pag-abot. With the council, parang Lian Evan, si Ma'am Juby, sino pa nga Ria, si Honorable Ruel, di ko ka mo master, buko na ako tagaman, in the person of Honorable Juby de la Viña. And hindi natin malipatan, ro dating school head at Kamansi National High School. Let us again welcome Ma'am Ludia Olmedo. Di ba si Ma'am? President, the SPTA President, Ma'am Resen Beyo. And I would like also to GC officers, Ma'am Jacqueline Ofalia, the Secretary. Thank you so much, Divino. And of course, I would like to acknowledge the outgoing SSLG President, Jiniel. Thank you so much. May klase is Jiniel sa Lunes. From the heart. Diba? So, ako yung ginahinyo, children, ay hindi magpauktas yung duna, ha? Kung gauling kita, hay gauling kita. Kung gabayin kita, gabayin kita. Kasi atong gaong abi dapat ka, the original Friday, hay gin-cancel to classes because hindi kita pwede mag-proceed ay executive order it mayor. Wa kita karot mahimo. Ay kung may disgrasya katon, ay sagad do namon. Di ba ka? Protocol yan. Pero makaraan, nag-aong kay Sir Louie ay nagdungan na do cluster meet, din sabay na ay push naman na sir kasi next week, district meet na kita Sabado Domingo. Biyernes Sabado Domingo. Ay, hindi ko magtagang kasi thank you. Hep hep! Hooray!
Shala, kaya galing sa Kamansi. What is sa Buruanga? Nagpa-burger, Thank you very much, sir, for welcoming us all. Hindi ko akalain na ang teacher ko noon, magiging student ko na ngayon.
Cellphone niyo lang. Cellphone lang. Sino ang kanila? Pod, upod yun. Potan. Apa kami guys? Cellphone lang. Oo, namatay. Malugar. Kung patuhuan mo man do, mako nga. Iyo no, Shout out kay Igla Acquaintance. Shout out kay Igla. Oh.
Ay na! Welcome to my vlog!
Welcome to my vlog. Shout out. Silap. Hello. Hello. Oh, ayan. Ay, call. Ay. Dapat mabaho dang ko, no? Mabaho nga.
Ay, shut down na kay Wala.
Yes. Kanta. Paupod na. Aroy. Alis ka mukha nin. Ano no? Agay. Ano pa? Oo. Nan. Oo. Hello. Angel. Hello. Welcome. Dali lang saot.
Walang libre.
Saot?
Oh, libre. Saan kita doon na?
Anong klaseng libre?
Libre nga ano? Ping. Papol.
Kini.
Very true that it's better to light just one little candle
Oh, sing ka mo. Di ka na ako.
stumble in the dark. And if everyone lit just one little candle, what a bright world this would be. The All Tongue Side song reminds us not to forget to celebrate the transition of leadership. Let us witness the traditional snake dance.
You ready? 1, 2, 3, go!